Today I'm going to be sharing the first step on that journey to well-being, and that is understanding what wellness really means to you. Through a guided visualization, you will tap into what is most important for your well-being at this time by creating an image of wellness that is relevant just to you. I call this finding your happy place. When searching for better health, we tend to jump in and focus on what we're eating and drinking. We might exercise more or try to de-stress by relaxing or doing things that we enjoy. But do you find that it fizzles out after time, or that it doesn't make a huge difference? You might find yourself beginning to stress again or binging out on unhealthy foods. This may be because we've not clarified our goal or taken into account all aspects of our well-being. Wellness is more than eating fruit and veg or exercising regularly. It's about the people around us, our environment, whether we're fulfilled in our work or whether we've recovered from past trauma. This guided visualization asks your subconscious what is most important to it at this moment in time and creates a clear picture of it, a picture of what would be happiness to you right now. Then your job is to make sure that any elements included in that picture are included in any actions you take for your wellness. So it might be that you do focus on what you eat and drink and how much you exercise, but you also might have a look at the relationships that are important to you, or create a home environment that fits with your vision of well-being. Our previous clients have been surprised by some of the results from this visualization, and it's also helped them discover and focus on some of their blocks to their wellness. So if you find yourself in a repeating pattern of stress, give this a try. After the visualization, I'll go through how to understand what your picture means for you. I'm going to take you through the visualization now. Grab a pen and paper so that you can write down or draw what you see. Also, disable your phone so you don't get any notifications pinging or any calls coming through. Next, find a comfortable place to relax where you're safe to close your eyes. Find a comfortable position for yourself, sitting or lying down. Relax and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and let it go. Once again, take a deep breath in and let it go. See yourself in this room as you breathe gently in and out. With each breath you begin to feel lighter. Your thoughts, your cares begin to slip away. You feel lighter. As you feel lighter, you begin to lift up. Gently you float up and slowly out of the room. You gently float higher with each breath, becoming lighter. All your cares fall away. You float up, lighter, up through the clouds, floating further above the sky. Here there is total calm and peace. You feel warmth and comfort. You pause here for a moment. Then slowly, gently, you begin to float downwards. As you float gently down, you begin to feel well. Float gently down. Your feeling of wellness becomes stronger, slowly floating down. Feeling happier, at peace, you float down through a clear blue sky. The feeling of happiness and wellness becomes stronger as you float gently down to earth. You are in a place where you are comfortable, well, happy, content with yourself and at peace with the world. Look around you. Notice where you are, what you are doing, who is with you. Focus on this place. See the things there. See the people there. Capture this picture in your mind as a photograph. Whenever you need to relax, you can remember this photograph. Keeping this picture and the feeling of peace and contentment, slowly come back towards your own room. Take a deep breath, gently in and out. In your own time, when you are ready, open your eyes. Right, now pause the video and write down what you saw, or you can even draw it. Include as much detail as possible. Where were you? What were you doing? Who was with you? Include any colours. If you find that you struggle to do this exercise, then just try again, or it may not be the right time for you. Try again later. Everyone's image is different. This is your picture and you decide what it means for you. There's no right or wrong in it. An image that often comes up for people is a holiday or a beach scene with family or loved ones there. This can mean different things to different people. It may mean an underlying interest in travel that maybe you haven't done anything about, or a need to de-stress and relax with people that you feel strongly connected to. Ask yourself, what does this image or these people or this place represent to me? You'll know you've hit the right meaning when you get an emotional response to it, and that might be a feeling in your stomach or in your chest, or it may even make a tear come in your eye. Something else that often comes up is people who are no longer in our lives, either because the relationship has ended or because that person has passed on. This can be a sad image, and it's okay to feel sad about these endings. Take this opportunity to understand what that relationship meant to you and what it means to you now. Does it represent family, close connections with the people that you have a shared history with? Does it represent having someone to care for or to care for you? Or does this mean having people in your life that you can now share interests and life experience with? Or there may be a different meaning for you. Take some time to think about this. Once you have this image of your happy place and an understanding of what it means for you, then you can start to add those elements into your day-to-day life. This image is a message from your subconscious about what you need at this time, and it only works for you if you take action on what you've learned. So if your family or your siblings featured, do you actually get to spend any time with them, any quality time? Do you have a chance to connect with them? If not, perhaps you can find or plan a regular time to meet and talk with them. The image showed you that they are a part of your wellness, so find a way that works for you to include them in your life. If time and space away from your daily life featured, then look at activities that can give you a similar outcome, like taking day trips or booking a holiday, or getting some me time at home when you can relax. You can even try a relaxing visualization which takes you away to a beach somewhere. I'll link to one that I've used before in the description below. If your happy place image was strongly positive for you, you can also use it to help you cope with stress and anxiety and stop negative thoughts. We've actually done another video on this, and I'll link to that also in the description below. Self-awareness is an important part of being healthy and living a balanced life, and this visualization helps you become self-aware at a deeper level. If this exercise worked for you, put a yes in the comments below, or put there any questions that you might have. As you continue on your wellness journey, you change and grow. So it's worth repeating this exercise after 6 months or a year to keep in touch with your well-being priorities. Thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a like and share with anyone else who might benefit. We create regular videos, so please subscribe so that you know when the next one comes out. See you next time.